Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to do an activity on the chapter Keeping Clean.
So very first thing you are going to put today's date. Okay, there is no space for giving date. We are going to draw the margin on all the four sides. Okay. As we do every time when we do the activity, draw the margin on all the four sides of your page. Put today's date, children. 21. And on the top you will write activity. Activity. Things, THINGS. Things to TO2. Keep, KEEP, small k children. Keep our our body, 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 clean, CLEAN, clean. Activity, things to keep our body clean. Okay. Now inside this box which you have already made, you are going to draw a line here. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 3 lines like this. 1, 2, and 3. After making 3 lines, there will be 4 spaces for drawings. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And the first picture you are going to draw in the first box here. Okay, that will be of your hand. Now we cannot keep our hand in this box because the box is small. So try to draw without the help of your hand. Okay, it will be like you are going to draw 2 lines, and then first draw the thumb. First you are going to draw your thumb and then 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, like this. And in the second box you are going to draw hairs. Remember how we have drawn the hairs in our last activity? Okay, draw a oval shape and make 2 ears, and then you are going to draw hair and blacken this. Okay, either with the help of your pencil. If you want to color, you can color as well. I am going to use only my pencil. Eyes, nose, you are not going to draw, only hairs. Okay. And then in the third box, we are going to draw a finger. So make 2 lines. Make like this. Then it will look like a triangle in shape. And then draw the nails. Okay. And in the fourth box, you are going to draw teeth. How to draw teeth? Make a shape like M. Then join the two ends. Okay. Another one. One more line you will make like this. And in the middle you have to make boxes like this. That is your teeth. Okay. You can write here, children. Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Hairs. H-A-I-R-S, hairs. You are going to write nails. N-A-I-L-S, nails. And here, what are you going to write? Teeth or mouth? Write both. T-E-A T-double-E-T-H, teeth, and mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Okay. Because we clean our teeth also and inside the mouth as well. Okay. Cleaning is necessary inside also. Don't be in a hurry, children. I will give you enough time. Draw nicely, okay? I will wait for you. Done, children? Should I proceed? Yes. Here I have a picture of a star. This will help us to draw it here. Okay. See this picture and try to draw a circle, then 2 lines, a big circle like this, and somewhat like this. This is your towel. Okay, and erase the lines from here. Here no lines are there, na? So you have to erase the line from in between. Okay. And what else we use other than towel? Water, of course. You told me you're not going to draw water. Other than that, we use what is this? Soap. That will be an easier thing to make. Just make an oval shape. Inside it, make a rectangle shape. And you can write it soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. Okay. You can mention it here. Towel. 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 Underline it, children. Soap we have already written inside, so no need to write it outside, okay? Okay. Now for hairs. What do we use for hairs? What are the things we use to clean our hair? So children, we are going to draw shampoo. We use shampoo to clean our hair. So you need to draw a rectangle and draw some design here. Make 2 lines and you can write here shampoo. SHAMPOO. Okay. This is a shampoo pouch. And what else we use to clean our hair, to keep it neat and tidy? Comb, right? So we are going to draw this here. See the picture and try to draw. Draw with me, that will be easier. Okay. First draw the outline like this. And then very simple, you have to draw lines over here. You can use scale if you want. If you think you can draw it without the scale, it is fine, okay? Because the lines are very small. Okay? And then write it here. COMB, comb. And what is the next picture? Next picture is of nails. What are the things we use to keep our nails clean? So children, to cut your nails, we use nail cutter or nail clipper. Same thing we are going to draw it here. How to draw? We will try to draw, okay? Make a slanting line. Make a slanting line and then make a rectangle. Okay, and then here you can make a U shape and then again make a rectangle. Join them here. Make a small circle over here and make a square over here. And you can make some designs as it is there in our nail clipper. Okay, so somewhat it looks like this. Fine. And then we are going to write here nail clipper, 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 nail clipper. Okay, so children, to keep our nails clean, we have to clip our nails or cut our nails every now and then, that is maybe in 10 days or 1 week, okay? It depends on how our nails grow. So you can clip your nails in 1 week or 10 days. And what is the next picture? Teeth and mouth. What are the things we use to keep our teeth and mouth clean? So children, to keep our teeth and mouth clean, we use toothbrush. Here is a picture of toothbrush. You can use your scale to draw this. And you are going to draw brushes like this. Okay, what is this? This is your toothbrush. So write it over there. Tooth, tooth, brush, brush, toothbrush. Okay. What is the other thing we are going to make here? We use toothpaste also. So you have to make a tube here. Okay. Draw the cap. Make a bigger one so that you will be able to write toothpaste inside it only. Okay. I'm making a bigger one. And inside we can write toothpaste. Tooth, tooth, paste, paste. Okay. So we are done with the brush, toothpaste. We use brush and toothpaste to clean our teeth. And after brushing our teeth, we also use a tongue cleaner, which is U in shape, right? Upside down U. So you have to make it and 2 lines going along with each other. Okay. So your tongue cleaner. What is this? Tongue cleaner. Your tongue cleaner looks like this. Sometimes it is straight as well. Yes, it is flexible and it is straight. But generally it is like this. So I have made a curved one. Write here tongue cleaner. Tongue, tongue, cleaner, cleaner, tongue cleaner. Can I remove this picture, children? So hereby we complete our activity. Let's go through it once, children. The first picture we have made is of a hand and the things to keep our hand clean are towel, soap and water, of course. Okay. So we have drawn 2 things here, towel and soap. You can draw a bottle of sanitizer as well if you want. And the second thing is hairs. To keep the hair clean, we wash our hair with shampoo. And after that, when our hair is dry, we also use comb to make it neat and clean, to tidy our hair, right? Okay, and the third picture is of nails. We have to clip our nails after every week or maybe 10 days to keep it clean so that dirt is not there in our nails. So we use nail clipper to clip our nails. And the last picture is of teeth and mouth. We use toothbrush and toothpaste to clean our teeth, and after brushing our teeth, we use tongue cleaner to clean our tongue, right? So hereby we complete our today's activity, children. I hope you must have enjoyed the activity. Thank you so much, everyone.